Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use Extrude the boss base and Loft. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line here, this line, this arc, and this line here. Then we'll put the dimensions, okay? So let's create this. Open the SolidWorks, go to Sketch, and select the right plane, and select line. Make a line here in the center, make another line here, move the mouse here a little bit, return to this point to make an arc, and make another line here. And now select this line, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select the midpoint, and add relation midpoint, and press OK. And now go to Smart Dimension. This line here has 4 millimeters. This line here has 5 millimeters. And here in the center of this arc, we have a circle with 2 millimeters of diameter. So we have 4 millimeters here, 5 millimeters here, and go to circle, click here in this point, make a circle here with 2 millimeters of diameter. We made this, and now go to features and select extrude the boss base, and the direction here, select the mid plane, and here we need to extrude this 2 millimeters. Okay, so the distance here is 2 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one, and now we will create this sketch here. Is the same sketch with the same dimensions, but we'll create this in the top plane, okay? And the midpoint will be here. So let's create this. Go to sketch and select the top plane. And here, select line. Make this sketch here. And make another line here from the midpoint to the center of this line. Okay. And here select this line and make this a construction geometry and make this line a vertical line. Okay. And now go to Smart Dimension. The distance here 5 millimeters and 4 millimeters here. And here in this point we have a circle with 2 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between this point and the midpoint, let me see here, the distance between this point and the midpoint is 15 minus 4. Because the distance here, this 15 is the distance between the center of the circles, okay? So we'll remove this distance here, that is 4 millimeters. So select this circle here and the midpoint. The distance here, 15 minus 4, 11 millimeters. We made this profile. And now go to features and select extrude the boss base. And here we need to extrude this 2 millimeters. And the direction here, select mid plane and press OK. We made this one. And now we will select the loft to create the main body here. So look that this face here is tangent with this face and tangent with this face. Okay, so let's create this. Go to Loft, boss base, and the profile here, select this face and select this face. Okay, and here I will move this point, select this point here, and that point, this face, okay, and this face here. And here the start end constraints, the start constraint here, select tangent to face, and the end constant, select tangent to face, and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.